All right, check this out. I was scrolling Facebook and I noticed that one of my Facebook friends had posted that it was her son's birthday today and that he wanted to sit in a supercar for his birthday. So I reached out and I sent a picture of my car and I said, hey, will this do? So she showed the picture to her son and he goes, oh, that's a 2017 Nissan GTR. He knew exactly what it was. He was super excited and he really wanted to check out my car. So today we're gonna drive over to their house. I'm gonna let him sit in the car and I'm gonna give him a ride and we're gonna record it and see his reaction. Let's go. Just about there, and I think I'm nervous. Why would I be nervous? I feel nervous, like I want my car to be cool enough for this kid to get the reaction that I want from him. I don't know, it's weird, but yeah, it should be good times. We're almost there.
That is the coolest car I've ever seen in my life. That's the coolest.
This is awesome. What's up, buddy? I'm Jeff. Give me some knuckles. Give me knuckles too, or you just... There we go. I do have merch, yes.
I just came back from school.
You did? How was school?
Good.
What'd you learn today?
Yeah. Are you going to post that video?
Yeah, I'm posting. You guys are going to be on it. All of you guys.
What's your YouTube channel name?
Burnt Rubber, right here on the shirt.
Right here on
Burnt
this shirt.
Rubber. That's it.
That is the coolest car.
Yeah, what do you know about that car?
I want that car. Is that a race car?
It's pretty expensive.
Rubber. What does it look like?
Can you tell me what year it is?
So you've been recording for 2 minutes.
2017?
It is a 2017. That's correct. You're speechless. I get it. Is that what it is? You're speechless?
Did you have this car for 3 years?
No, I've only had it for a year.
Hey, don't mess with it, honey.
How do I open this door?
It's magic.
Don't open it.
Nope. Nope. Did you want to sit in it? Do you want to sit in it and check out the inside?
Yeah, don't open it.
Yeah? All right. Birthday boy coming through. Yep. All right.
Liam.
He's going first.
Liam.
Birthday boy goes first.
That's so cool.
What do you think? Does it fit?
Seats?
Yeah, but there's really no room in the back seat.
What's that speaker in the back?
Yeah, that's where all the bass comes from.
This is so cool.
Liam, don't touch the car.
It's all good.
I'm sorry. I didn't
It's
touch
okay.
the inside though.
It's okay.
Levi, good cheese.
So cool.
Well, cool. So you want to go for a ride?
I want to. Me.
He's first.
Wait, can I sit in the back?
No.
No. We'll do one at a time.
All right, get in, Levi.
All right, hop in.
Are you just gonna go down there and back?
I don't know where we're gonna go.
I've never ridden one of these before.
Yeah, and you've never been on YouTube before?
Yep,
But what have you always dreamed of?
being on YouTube or TV.
Nice. Well, today's your lucky day. Give me some knuckles. Boom. All right. Well, do you want to go fast?
Man, I don't know, it's your choice.
Hey, you're the birthday boy. Do you want to go fast?
Sure.
All right. All right. Do you want to go in race mode?
Sure, I mean, if it's faster acceleration.
Okay, what do you think?
Oh God!
What did you think of that?
I'm still recovering from that.
You're still recovering from that? What did that feel like? Tell me what it felt like.
It felt like I was literally in a jet.
It felt like you were in a jet?
Yeah, just whoosh. 3, 2, 1, go! I'm glad they added this handle.
Yeah, you like that handle?
Yeah, it's nice.
Nice. want to count it down?
Yep.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go. There's so many good things happening right now.
Oh yeah, like what?
Like being on YouTube, I'm in a GTR.
Those are pretty good things. Being on YouTube and being in a GTR. Give me some knuckles. Yeah. You wanna go fast one more time?
Sure. Oh my god, I forgot to grab onto the handle.
How was it?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Can I go next?
Do you want one?
I'm going next. Yes.
Yes.
Here you go. It's an adult medium. That's the smallest I have.
Awesome.
So you can swim in it.
What do you say, Levi?
Thank you.
Go give him a big hug.
Happy
Thank you so
birthday.
much.
Happy birthday, buddy. Aw.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy birthday.
I'm surprised that's a spray paint.
Here, you should.
It's a little big.
Oh, you want to put it on?
See how it fits.
Nice. I'll get some more made in a better size for you, and I'll bring one by. Okay?
Yep.
Awesome. Oh my gosh. That's amazing.
Thanks, dude.
All
A
right.
lot better than I thought.
You gonna wear it out to dinner tonight? Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's so
Nice.
awesome. Bye, guys. Oh my god, did you see his reaction? That was amazing. And honestly, like, this is like the best reason to own a car that is special. He was so pumped. Obviously, he's a little shy and a little nervous, but he was so pumped. I mean, he said so many amazing things are happening right now. He gets to be on YouTube and he's in a GTR. That just made my day because I was able to put a smile on his face for his birthday, and he said, this is something that I'll never forget. And that is, man, that's amazing. That's really cool. Hey Levi, before I wrap up this video, I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. I hope it's a birthday that you never forget. I'll see you later, buddy. All right, guys, well, we are back home. And before we wrap up this video, I just want to let you guys know a few updates on what you can expect to see on the channel in the near future. So I'm getting ready to go full bolt on an E85. So that means in the next week or so, I've got to install a front mount intercooler, injectors, and a flex fuel kit. So I've got to get all those put on. So I'll probably be doing some sort of install video with all of that stuff. Once all of that stuff is on the car, I've got to get a tune. So you can expect a video of me getting a tune, and I'm going to be on a dyno, a bunch of pulls. So that'll be really cool. I'm also thinking about selling my stock rims and tires because I found a set of aftermarket wheels and tires that I want to get. So I'm thinking about putting those for sale. I'm going to sell them at a really competitive price. So once they're for sale, I'll let you guys know so that we can spread the word and help me get them sold. And once I get those wheels and tires put on the car, the next thing I want to do is suspension. I want to get Fortune Auto coilovers because they have this airlift piston system. And basically these pistons, they go around the coilover somehow, like in the spring. And what's cool is they're coilovers, and what this piston does is it expands and it contracts the spring, which raises and lowers your car, which is cool because you can get 2 inches of lift, which will really help me get in and out of my driveway. And I can also lower it so that way my car looks nice. And I don't want to say slam because I'm not going to slam it, but it will be lower. So it'll look really nice with that as well. And then don't forget, on March 26th, I'm going to be renting out the Sacramento drag strip, and there's going to be tons of content from that as well. I already have a lot of muscle cars showing up. So if you know anybody who's got an import or exotic vehicle, let me know. Spread the word because I really want to have a nice wide variety of cars at this event. So yeah, lots of content coming up. My goal for 2021 is to provide a lot of content for you guys on my channel. I really, really, really want to make sure I'm always putting out videos, and that is just fire content, banger after banger after banger, because I want to keep you guys entertained. I want to grow my YouTube channel, which is why I really, really appreciate all of you guys. Every time you come to my channel, leave a comment or share it or give it a thumbs up. I always appreciate it, and I love it. I really appreciate that. So with that being said, I'm gonna wrap up this video. So thanks again for coming by my channel, everybody. Thanks for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.